Hello guys, for today I'm gonna start A Day in the Life at 12:40 p.m. by Jerby Cardona. Hello, this is A Day in the Life of a Versatile Person. So at 12:40 p.m. I take a bath. A few moments later. Okay, that's it guys. I'm done taking a bath and it's 1:17 p.m. and here is what I will wear. See?
Wala ka pala, yung ina mo naman.
O talaga? Galing mo pala, idol.
Guys, I really want to go outside but look, it's raining. Okay, hello, this is me going to chess club. But when I get there are no people playing, so I change my mind and I go to Bye Bye Boulevard to get some snacks. That's all I did. So guys, I'm just from the chess club and look, there's no people in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to Bye Bye. Wish me luck guys. Sana makakita kin mo usay. So guys, right now I'm here at St. Mary College of Borongan. Look, so big. And here, it is the way to I Love Borongan, the Bye Bye Boulevard. See you there guys. So guys, I buy this and look, so little. This is my juice and this is my food. Wish me luck.
Pwede pa.
Tadakimasu. Right now, I'm here at Bye Bye.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but
Guys, look, there is a bunch of dogs. Oh, what are they doing? They are being, oh no, what the heck? Oh, it's biting the, you know. Bali, there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. There are a total of 11 dogs. What a fun scene to watch. So see you guys later. Hi. Hello, I'm back. So this is bye-bye. Mabiyak mayakan. Bali siya mga tao buhi lagi pa nga dayan na naglili na laag. Bali kapira yan na. Kami 24 Sabado. Nag-uusa anak di diha bye-bye nga warak padis. Bali kung karayong niyo magkamaya din padis so ganda ang chat lock niyo. Available ako din na TikTok, Instagram, nga Facebook. Bali siya hindi pa yan nahuhuman itang video. Pag nalatla pa kami sa impera kadali matatapos nagyakin hindi na maiha. Ay gusto nga nung kinabuhi. Kalawin na gadla ta outfit yan ah. Inyak short Vans. Inyak bado net men net itatak. Inyak bag pen shop bali siya lahat. Asti ganun takiray nagdudungkit magjakit talaga yung hira literal. Sana sugad la damit ang relasyon maging magkadingkit. Pero anyway, asya lait, buhay lagyapak nga dayan, naghinakan. Wala kong mabuhat, asya nagbuhatakin nga vlog yan. Barit mga nakakilala haak nga, kaya ko ngayon ni Marjorie B. Cardona, na kaya katabok. College na kaya na, college student. Bali, sa nga Kristiyano, nasunod dit Ginoo. Ito yung mga sogo. Well, di ka nga nga tanan, pero at least pinipilit. Kinakaya sumunod. Ay, kayo yung tatak ngipon. Pagkakaon ko pala buro. Ngan, shit. Sige, mauli na. Wala ko naman hindi mabuhat. Siya lahat. Niya ko yung Marjorie B. Adi, tiuli anak. Adak niya na bye-bye mag-usahan. Mga di nakakilala hak. Pakikuha iyo, wala ko yung pakisige. Makadina. Another bunch of dogs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. There is a total of 9 of them. So yeah, siya lahat. Ikadinak. So right now, I'm at the ocean and I'm gonna create a song. I don't know what the title is, but I'm still going to create it. So guys, I hope you like it. So here is my song and it is called Stormy Relationship by Jerby Cardona. So yeah, I'm gonna start the song by in 3, 2, 1 and go. Cold ocean, deep blue sea, summer ends and the sky is turning gray, pouring rain and stormy sea. tower of dreams where there is you and me. You and me are still teen. We're too young to be in a relationship, but I still wish for you to come back, hoping for me to hold your hand once again, once again, once again. Everywhere I go, I can hear your thoughts. How I wish I never let you go. Oh no, the waves will come and go, but you and I will never be separated from each other. Even if it took me years, I will still long for your love. Even if my mind gets clouded, I still won't forget the love we made. Okay, that was my song. It's called Stormy Relationship by Jerby Cardona. And by the way, the Jerby Cardona is me. Yeah, is it great or not? Anyway, let's not talk about it. Right now, I'm here at Bye Bye. Look at the sea. And here I am. So what I'm doing is, creating music, doing things in my way. Anyway, I'm now gonna go home. Yeah, wish me luck. I hope I don't get into a car accident or something. I don't get hit by a car, I wish. Yeah, so I'm gonna go home. Bye-bye. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it is beautiful, just like your mother. Wah ha 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 ha. Anyway, let's go. Okay, guys. Now I'm home. And this is our food. Ha! Later, I will draw something. So, wait for me. Okay, today is getting dark. And I'm going to start to draw things. I hope that you like my drawing. That's all, thank you. Hi guys, okay, today I'm drawing Elon Musk. So I hope it turns out to be okay. So yeah guys, I tried to draw Elon Musk and this is how it turns out. I want to draw Elon Musk but I draw Michael B. It's very funny. This is where our video ends. A Day on the Life by Jerby Cardona. A day in the life of a lazy, versatile person. The end. And now I go to sleep at 11:44 p.m. A real end. Oh, so you like it, huh? So you better watch another video of mine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share on my video. That's all. Thank you. Muda! Muda!